I can't see through this equation. Someone, anyone help me.
I know it looks tough, but we can do it. Follow me. Don't you see? You just need to take the variables and numbers from the equation. It's all so easy.
So easy.
So easy. Take the formula, foil it, understand it.
Understand.
Love it?
Don't let it break your heart.
It's written out for you.
I can't factor it though.
The quadratic formula steps into play, don't you see?
Steps into play right at this moment.
Right at this moment.
Like something's gonna happen soon.
I know. It's crazy.
Just
Hear me? Formula. X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Didn't know you didn't know before today. X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a.
come on. All you have to do is get out your little notebook and copy these down. It's life tips.
Life tips. Not just math. Life.
Come on. You're fat? You don't want to be fat. Use this equation. Do something about it.
Do something about it. Place in the coefficients. There were 2 in the end, but I couldn't put them together. What you gotta do is one is squared and the other isn't. You take the coefficient of the square and you put that at the beginning of the other formula. Then other coefficient in C. Remember, you're taking this and putting into another formula. Let me spell it out for you. AX squared plus BX plus C equals 0.
Come on. That's the alphabet. 4-year-olds could do this. And in some cases, 2.5-year-olds.
Except when you can't factor it, you look to the quadratic formula. But you can only do that once you know you have to look for the quadratic formula. You can't factor it. You can't. You just, it's impossible.
It's impossible. Just go out and do it.
You put in the coefficients.
Come on. Punch that in.
AX squared, that's one coefficient. The BX, that's another coefficient. You look at them and you place them inside the quadratic formula. See? See, you just put in C. It's not a coefficient, but it is a number, and you gotta put that in.
C, come on.
All you have to do is look at the 2 equations and put the numbers with the numbers and the letters with the letters.
So simple.
So simple.
It's almost time.
Time to do it again?
Yeah.
You ready to hear it again?
Let's go.
Hear me, formula! X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Didn't know you didn't know before today. X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Didn't know you didn't know before today. X equals negative b plus the minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Didn't know you didn't know before today.
Now you know. You have no excuses. You have no friends? Use this formula.
Understand the formula. Love it. It's written out for you.
Come on.
In the end, we find one of 3 things. The roots, the x-intercepts, maybe even the zeros. Whatever is being square rooted can't be negative. It's just impossible.
Stop purchasing mattresses and start doing math.